Hey traders, welcome to another live market analysis from Global FX Education. Happy New Year to all. I hope you have a good, profitable year this year, and I hope that this year will be a good one for you. So today we're going to be speaking about gold, which is the most precious metal on earth. We're going to break it down and have a look at what type of opportunity that we can find in this gold market for a profitable start of 2023. Now, if you like the content, if you support the content, please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and you will be able to get a lot more information and interesting, informative content as well. So let's break it down. Normally we're going to start on the monthly time frame and look at the monthly time frame. What can we see from a monthly point of view? Now, if you look at the monthly time frame that I have pulled up here, you can see that the market is trading within this bullish flag pattern. So we have the pole over here, and then we have this flag pattern over here. So basically what we are experiencing now as retail traders is this flag pattern is a very big flag pattern. It could take quite some time for this market to actually break this flag pattern to the upside, because it's a bullish flag pattern, and it could take quite a long time for it to break. Now, as you can see on the monthly time frame, each time the market had came to the top of this channel or top of the trend line range, you can see that the market had created some sort of rejection to the downside from the top of the channel. Also, if you look at this specific flag, you can actually see that if it came down to the bottom of the flag pattern, you can actually have a look. The market had pushed off from the bottom of the flag as well. So from a monthly perspective, yes, the market is quite overextended at the moment without any monthly correction to the downside. So what I'm suspecting is basically the market will start to reject this area and at least make a smaller correction before we have any sort of bigger move to the upside to break this flag pattern. Now, if we go down to the weekly time frame, you can see on the weekly time frame that the market has already rejected this quite nicely, and it could start to push to the downside from here. But also need to be very careful, because the market, gold market, is quite bullish at the moment. So for myself and the team over here, we'll be sitting and waiting and watching for more confirmation on the market itself. Then we will be entering our trades, because it's still quite early in 2023. The market can be very mixed up in the beginning of the year, and yeah, we're going to be waiting a little bit before we actually start to look for any positions or any long-term positions before we actually enter the market. Now, if you have a look at the weekly time frame, you can actually see that the market had created this beautiful W formation over here. So this beautiful W formation, it made a nice W formation. It then, after that, tested the neckline of this W formation, and we had this very nice impulse to the upside, which was great. We had some good buys around the 1790 area, 1740 area as well. So we had quite a nice run throughout December and November last year. Now that the market has actually reached to the top of the flag pattern, we are basically going to be sitting and waiting and watching the market first before we actually enter the trade. From my perspective and the team's perspective, the market is way overextended, and we can expect some sort of correction first before we have the next push to the upside. Just be careful, guys, because the market can move very quickly, especially this week, because this week we have NFP, we have quite a lot of high impact news. And make sure that you guys trade safe and using proper risk management. So on the weekly time frame, it's quite simple and quite easy to say that the market needs to make a retracement or a correction, and it is definitely possible for the market to come down to the 1900 area around here before we are going to look for any opportunity for a buy. And if the market does happen to break this area of 1900 area here, then we could definitely see a deeper retracement before we have a bigger push to the upside. Now, going down on the daily time frame, if you go down on the daily time frame, you can see that the market actually has been ranging for quite some time. We have over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, almost 8 days the market has been ranging in one area. We've had a lot of buy pressure in this area over here, which is the support area, and it has not broken that area for the last 8 days. But like I said, do be careful, because the market could break that area very easily and come down for a bigger correction before we have a bigger push to the upside. On the daily time frame, it is not clear yet whether to sell or buy, because at the moment it's kind of ranging for the last 8 days, and I would suggest to stick out of the market and wait for a proper confirmation of a breakout to the downside or breakout to the upside in order for you to take your trade, because the market has been ranging between 1916 and 1939 to 46. So it's better to wait and see whether the market will actually break to the downside. If the market breaks to the downside, quite simple, easy, you can actually enter on the correction again and continuation to the downside. And from the 1900 area or around the 1900 area, you could be looking for a buy opportunity. But right now, it is very important to watch the market closely and see whether that the market is going to break this major support. Going down on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that the market has been ranging. It is a very nice steady range for quite some time. We have this nice range over here. Let me change the color for you. Okay, we have this nice range over here between 16 and 39 area around here, and each time it came down to the bottom of the range, it was moved to the upside. So it's very important, wait for the break of this range towards the upside or the downside, and then you could look for your opportunity. 4-hour time frame is not clear yet whether to buy or sell, so it's better to sit on your hands, wait, watch, and let the market do its thing. Try to find another pair, try to find another forex pair that you would like to trade, and trade that instead of trading gold for this week until the market has actually moved and broken out from this range. Now, just a quick one. If you have a look at the monthly time frame, yes, this is a very nice bullish flag pattern, and I've been telling you guys for a very long time about this about this cup and handle situation that we have going on gold here. So we have this cup over here, which is a very nice cup, and this is the handle of the cup over here. You can check out the link below that I will leave for you guys about my previous analysis on gold, about the cup and handle on the monthly time frame. And this cup and handle is a bullish, it's a bullish pattern, guys. It's a bullish pattern, and it's a very strong bullish pattern, especially on the monthly time frame. So overall, for the next 1 year or the next 2 years or 3 years, the gold prices will keep on climbing once it has actually broken out from this handle flag pattern. So yes, take your time, watch the market, let the market speak to you first, let the market show you the way. If you are not sure, leave me your comments below and I will help you to have a look at the market, and I will happily help you to look at the market and make a decision for you, or help you to look at the market so that you can understand the market better. If you like this video, please guys don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. Leave me a comment on which pair you would like to see next, and I will give you a full breakdown from the monthly to the daily to the 4 hour on that pair. I hope you guys have a good 2023. I will see you guys in the next analysis. Cheers for now.